Okay, hello guys. So today I'll discuss a few things about data analysis. I'll teach you how to plot the distribution of multiple variables on the same graph, and I will do this using Matlab. So let me just share my screen, my Matlab window with you. Okay. So this is my Matlab window. Okay, I'm using Matlab 2017A. And let me show you the data that I have. The data that I have is stored in one variable SE. This is that variable SE. Another variable is OS. Another variable is, I don't know, CP something. I have all these, data values. So last time I showed you in R how to plot, the histogram of any data. Let me just do the same thing. And here we go. Okay, so let me just try to. Everything is visible because I doubt it's visible. Okay. So this is the histogram. I've done, the histogram plot, and this is my histogram of my data variable OS. Now let me just show you one more way to plot the same data values. I am going to use something called as kernel density estimation. I will not get into the theoretical details of the method, but I will use it anyways to check the distribution. And it's again very simple idea. You can Google it or you can go to Wikipedia and you can type kernel density estimation. So let me just show you how the practical way to plot the distribution of a data. Let's say, sorry. So KS density. I'm going to use KS density. I press enter, and this is what I get. This is actually a non-parametric distribution, so it's free flowing. I have another variable. Let's say I have one variable. Let's say I have M. I have a matrix M. So let me just copy all the values of the fourth column in my variable A. So my A contains all these numerical values. Let me do again a KS density of A. Sorry, wrong spelling. Enter. Okay. So if I do that, I get this. Now, generally, what people want is people want to plot multiple distributions on the same graph. For example, I have my OS variable. I do that. What I get is I get distribution like this. I want to plot the distribution, non-parametric distribution of my variable A. I get this. But sometimes what people want is people want to plot the distribution of these two variables A and OS on the same graph. And the way to do that in Matlab, of course, is something like this. Okay, let me just plot again. I'm plotting the distribution of A. It's this. Let me type hold on. Hold on. And now let me just type KS density OS. I press enter. And see, now I am getting both the two graphs, in fact, both the two distributions on the same graph. Let me store one more variable, M, I don't know, fifth column, that's it. Let me plot the distribution of my new variable B on the same graph. I have, recall, I pressed hold on. So I'm going to plot it again. And this is what I get. 3 different colors. Oh, by the way, 3 different distributions for OS, A, and B. So that's how you can plot multiple distributions on the same graph. And it's actually a very important visual tool to, to diagnose a few things, to check a few things. Because when you plot 2 things simultaneously, you get, a good idea of how the data is behaving or what the story the data is trying to tell you. And let's say you don't want to, plot anything on the same graph. So what you do is you type on hold off. You started plotting everything using hold on, and now you want to end it. So you press hold off. I'm going to press hold off. And now let me just do a chaos density again for B, and I get this graph. So basically, hold on, hold off, chaos density. Again, kernel density estimation, non-parametric density estimation tool. Very easy, very simple to plot in Matlab. Next time, I'll get into the details of histograms. In this video, again, I wanted to emphasize how to plot multiple distributions on the same graph and how to do it via kernel density estimation. Next time, I'll get into the details of histogram. And that time, I will do it in R. Because MATLAB doesn't give you the freedom, but R gives you a lot of data. So we'll look at histograms in detail. So okay, guys, thank you very much.